Hey guys, I'm back with the tutorial now. Today I'm going to talk about the Photoshop interface or the overview. Now Photoshop is a high class graphic designer. It's invented by the ADAP company. Now I'm going to upload a tutorial series of Photoshop. This is the first episode. Now I'm going to teach you about the interface and the overview. Next video I will talk about the tools and the other features specific to the Photoshop. Now stay tuned, stay until the end of the video. Before this video, make sure to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and comment my video. Now, let's talk about the interface of Photoshop. So, guys, now talking about the interface. Now, first, I'm going to open my Photoshop. Okay, now this is the Photoshop project panel. Now there are many options: create, new, open. I will explain them one by one, and these are my recent projects that I designed for all the school works and stuff. Now these three are not essential for you all. Now let's talk about create new. Create new means that you can open a new blank or transparent normal file, new file project. Then open means you can open a recent project of yours. Now hope you all understand that part, right? Now for this tutorial I'm going to open a new project, so I need to so now I'm clicking create new. After a few seconds you will be getting this is called the preset details about our new project. Now the width, I'm going to keep the width and height same, resolution 300. So if you can put the resolution 300 if you are printing the photo. And the color mode I'm putting, don't forget to put it as RGB color. And I'm going to there are background contains white, black background color. Now I'm going to select white, then advanced option. There are no special things for beginners in that option. Now then all are done. Now press create. After a few seconds you will get the now you all can see. Now this is the Photoshop editing or the workspace. Now I will be explaining one by one. Now you all can see there are tools on your left hand side. This is called the toolbar, right? This is called the toolbar. Then this is called your workspace, your sheet. This is called your workspace, and this is your layer palette. You all can see that now there's a layer. Layer means a part like background. Now I have only the background. I haven't added any text or color or anything. Now if I add a text, let's see what happens in the layer palette. Now let's type CG. Now you all guys can see a new text layer got installed to the layer panel. That means if you are adding something to your any project, the layer panel is very important for you all, right? Then this is the work bar there. Now if you select text, then you all guys can get this is the font size. Sorry, this is the font size, the font these are the fonts. Then this is the you can change the font color and many more, right? Now hope you all understand that part also. Now I'm not going to explain about the tools in this tutorial because I'm going to talk about the interface of Photoshop. Next I mean in episode 2 I will talk about all the tools, right? Now I'm going to go into this one that's all. Now if you are exporting a the if you are exporting your project, the way to export is go to file, then you can save it as a psd means you can if you are sharing that psd to your friend, the friend also can edit this project. Now go if you want to save it as a psd, you need to click save as. First wait First go to file, it's on your left hand side up, then save, click save as. Now the save as control key shift plus control plus s, then save as. Then you all guys can see that save as type, this is called Photoshop PSD. You can save like that. You can name your panel. Then now this is the icon if you are saving a project as a PSD, like a Photoshop a small file icon. Now I'm going to cancel it. Now if you want to export this project as a PNG, if you are exporting as a PNG, you can quick export as a PNG, or if you want to do something changes about the frame size and everything, you need to go to export as. The control shortcut keys alt key plus shift key plus control key plus w on your keyboard. Right now if you press export as, now you will get a panel like this, format png with 1300, and I'm not going to change it. It's your choice. If you want to change, you can change it. Right now after that you need to press export over here. Right, hope you all understand the exporting part. And that's all for the interface tutorial. In next tutorial will be a bit huge, and the time limit is will be a little bit large, but this tutorial is just for explanation about Photoshop, and where are the tool palettes and where are the layer panels, about the interface of Photoshop. Now hope you all understand about the interface or the overview of Photoshop. um, Stay tuned for the next episode. In next episode I will talk about the move tool, the Marquee tool, and the Laso tool. Okay guys, hope you all understand my talk. Now before I'm ending this video, again I'm going to remind you, make sure to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment for my video. So hope you all guys understand. Thank you. Bye guys. See you all at the next video.